Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm making fragrant pilau rice. Please take a second to like and subscribe. Before you begin, rinse the rice with cold water until the water runs clear, then soak for 15 minutes. Add the oil, salt, cumin seeds, cardamom pods, bay leaves, cassia bark, star anise and cloves to a pan and cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. Strain the rice, add to the pot and stir gently. Add the boiling water, bring back to a boil, stir and cover. Reduce the heat to its lowest setting and cook for 15 minutes. Remove the lid and remove any hard spices from the top of the rice. Sprinkle about 1/16 of a teaspoon of food colouring in the patches over the top. Place the lid back and wait for 5 minutes. Uncover and stir through gently with a fork. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.